welcome to Craft Create Paint. You may have not seen me in a long time since I haven't been doing any videos recently, so I may look and sound a little different. Today we will be making an Easter egg, well, decorating one. So what you can do is that we've bought one, but you can also paper mache one. So what you will do is get a balloon, and then you'll put newspaper and glue over here, this section, and leave a gap there, since the balloon is a perfect egg shape. Now, the next bit is that we will be painting it with sponges. Here we have all different types of paint, and here we've cut up some sponges. What you will do first is choose any colour. So I'm going with yellow, and then you will dab it all over, so it has a really nice effect. We've chosen yellow, green, pink, purple and turquoise because we personally think that these would be great colours for an Easter egg. For my next colour, I will be using, let's go with a pink. I am choosing to do the pink above the yellow. So, I've finished the pink colour and now I am ready to do the next colour, which I'm going to do probably the blue colour. What I was thinking of is that maybe I could put all of my confectionaries inside of it, so that means when you open the top, it'll have all types of sweets in there and chocolate. I have finished all the blue. What I'm doing is I'm going over the edges of each colour to make it blend. What I'm going to do next is that I'm going to paint the bottom bit green and I'm going to do the lid purple. So, I'll get my sponge and I'll dip it in the green paint. And this one's going to be extra hard because I really don't want to just accidentally smudge all of my egg. So what I'm doing now is that I've stuck my arm into the egg and I am dabbing green on the bottom of it. I'm going to try my best to put it on the table safely without damaging the egg. Already got my fingers pink. Oh god. Already got my top print. And already going to put the egg on the table. Right. Now I'm gonna just get myself a wipe. Stay there. Don't go anywhere. I will be using this final sponge to put this purple colour in and on the top of the egg. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. The reason why I tried to do the bottom and tried not to make a mess, because it probably would feel lonely, everything else being decorated and then it just being left. So I did my best to not get my old shirt dirty and the egg ruined. Well, the lucky part is the egg didn't get ruined, so I guess it's a win-win. Now, this may take a while to dry. Leave it about 2 hours, 3 hours. Should dry by then. Now they're all dry. What I will be doing next is painting my designs onto the egg. And what I've chosen to do, here I will do some dots. So, I'm just doing a circle motion. For my next layer, I'm going to do some wavy lines underneath. Lean my egg on a tilt, and all I will do is just draw a pattern on top. See? So far, I'm happy with my egg. All I'm going to do is the same as last time. I'm just going to do the rest all the way around. So I decided not to do the green bit. I like it plain. And what I will do now is just some wavy lines. I'm going to go here and wave a line through the centre Here I have done the top of my egg, which will slide onto there. What I've done is I've got some tissue paper shreds, which you can buy at your local craft store. And I've got some confectionery, all these little lollipops, Easter themed. Right, so what I'll do is I'm just going to separate it a little bit and put it in here. You can leave them out on Easter if you and the Easter bunny might feel it, or you can add the sweets in yourself. So here you see, I have filled that up. My chocolate eggs inside. See? And now I'll be adding my lollipops. Added the chicken bunny. Now for the cat and the sheep. As you see, put all of my sweets in there. So, I hope you enjoyed my egg video. Please can you like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!